Now, in this we discuss about the chapter of electrochemistry. This electrochemistry mainly deals with chemical applications of electric current, usage of electric current, or how do we use electric current in carrying out the chemical reactions. This is the basic idea behind the topic of this electrochemistry. This topic of electrochemistry is mainly classified as per our syllabus. It has been classified into 3 categories. First one is the electrochemical cells, that is a galvanic cell, electrolysis, wherein we study about the Faraday's laws, third one is electrolytic conductance. Out of the 3, now in our present discussion, first we will look at the electrochemical cells. In the electrochemical cells, the main topics are: what is the principle involved in the electrochemical cell? First of all, what is an electrochemical cell? What is the principle involved in electrochemical cell? How to construct an electrochemical cell, and how to measure the EMF in an electrochemical cell, and how to calculate EMF for any given type of galvanic cell. What is the use of EMF measurements, and what are the commercial applications of this galvanic cells. This is what in detail we are going to discuss. So, here basically in this what we are going to discuss is the construction and working of galvanic cell, principle of working, then determination of EMF, Nernst equation. This is to calculation of EMF, and then types of galvanic cells, applications of EMF measurements, and finally commercial cells. These are the various topics we are going to discuss in the first topic of electrochemical cells. After the topic of electrochemical cells, then the other parts of course we may discuss, but first what is an electrochemical cell, how to construct, what is working, this is all we are going to discuss in the first instance. So, now let us go into the construction and working of the principle involved in the working of electrochemical cell, construction and working. Let us see.